Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So right now I'm trying to trade volatility 250 index. I actually have a pending order waiting, and I absolutely love what I'm seeing on the chart. So if you have a point of interest and you see something like this building up close to your point of interest, you have to be glad, okay? Because all of this is just engineering liquidity, okay? So this is the liquidity that price would need to sweep, then tap into our point of interest and then push in the upwards direction. Okay, so I absolutely love all of this. Okay, so this is the liquidity that will be swept, then price will do what? Tap into our point of interest. I have a very tight stop loss. Okay, I don't expect price to go too deep into the point of interest, but even if it does, I don't expect it to get out of the point of interest. So I place my stop loss a few points below that point of interest, and I'm waiting for price to just come in here, tap me in, and push in my direction. So let's see how this plays out. Okay, guys, so I just came to the chart and I found out that my volatility 250 index trade has been activated. Okay, so it's been activated. I have a couple other trades that I'm actually waiting on, but the volatility 250 trade is the one I decided I was going to talk about. Okay, so this one is active and it's already pushing in the opposite direction. It has a long way to go, actually, a very long way to go. You can see where my TP is. So my TP is far, and I'm going to be utilizing trade management. Okay, I know why I'm going to use trade management. When I talk about trade management, what I mean is there is a level it will get to, I will shift my stop loss to break even. Then if you get on that level, I'll shift my stop loss to lock in some profits. So I have to manage the trade. I won't just leave my position the way it is throughout. No. Okay, so I have to be smart about this particular trade. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys, price is still moving in my direction. So I saw something interesting which I want to talk about, and it can give you confidence when you're actually trading. Okay, so this is a buy trade and I'm expecting price to move in the upward direction, right? Okay, so let me zoom in and show you something. So this can actually give you confidence when you're trading. So look at this. What do you see here? This is a fair value gap. So I like it when I see a fair value gap in my direction. I'm in a buy trade, then while the trade is playing out, it gives me a bullish fair value gap. I'm usually glad because it means that the intention, okay, of the market is upwards. So even though there is a pullback, the pullback is just looking for the fair value gap. The intention of the market is to move upwards, okay? So it's a good sign that price is seeking higher levels. So you can see what happened here. Price traded into that fair value gap and then pushed in the upwards direction. Okay, so you can see right now I'm up $14. Okay, so basically let's see how this plays out. Like I said, if you get to a point, I will lock in some profits and care less about the trade. So whatever happens wouldn't really bother me once I've moved my stop loss to lock in some profits. So let's see how it goes. Alright, guys, I just came back to the chart and I can see that price is moving in my direction. Okay, so price has really pushed towards my direction, and like I told you earlier, I was going to be managing this trade in a way that I'll move my stop loss. Okay, so right now I've moved my stop loss to lock in. What have I locked in right now? About $18. Okay, so I've locked in about $18. You can see where my stop loss is right now. I've moved it higher and it's holding $18. So whatever happens in this trade doesn't really matter to me anymore. At least I've gotten $18 from it. Okay, so you can see altogether is $38 right here. Now you might ask, why did I move it to that particular position? Then I'll move to a lower time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame. Let me move to 5-minute time frame. Okay, so on the 5-minute time frame, I can see that a zone was created right there. Okay, that's more like should I say, a mini demand zone. So price could retest it and push higher. Okay, so that's why I placed my stop loss just below that level. Okay, I can't just place it anywhere. Okay, if I place the stop loss somewhere here, it's as good as me just taking my profit altogether, because price will surely want to get there in case it wants to retrace. So now you understand why I placed my stop loss there. So this trade is now a risk-free trade. Okay, there's no risk in the trade. If it hits my stop loss, the stop loss is already take profits. All right. So basically, that's all I'll be recording for now. Okay. So if you got any value from this video, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.